So now we discuss geography. So before we discuss important question, now we discuss another important question. So I'm tired and I'm not আমি मैंने सुए सुए करके डिस्कस करूँगा. Okay, consider the following statements regarding our solar system. Solar system, the Jovian planets have not experienced removal of gases due to low intensity of solar wind. So Jovian planets do not have not experienced removal of gases due to low intensity of solar winds. So it is correct. Second, terrestrial planets would not have hold escaping gases due to their high gravity. No, it is not wrong. So mainly Jovian planets have not experienced removal of gases due to low intensity of solar wind. One only correct. Mm, out of 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, called inner planets, and they lie between the Sun and the belt of asteroids. These are also called terrestrial planets, and meaning Earth-like, and they are made up of rock, metals, and have relatively high density. The other 4 planets are called outer planets or Jovian planets, Jovian or gas giant planets. Jovian means Jupiter-like. Most of them are much larger than the terrestrial planets and have thick atmosphere. So please remember, and have thick atmosphere mostly of helium and hydrogen. And difference between terrestrial and Jovian planets. Terrestrial planets were formed close to the sun. Terrestrial planets were formed close to the sun, where it was too warm. It was too warm of gas for gases to continue to solid particles. The solar winds was most intense near the sun. Solar wind was most intense near the sun. It blew off lots of gases and dust from the terrestrial planets. For Jovian planets, the solar winds were not that intense to cause similar removal of gases. Terrestrial planets are smaller and their lower gravity could not hold the escaping gases. So terrestrial planets would not have hold escaping gases due to their high gravity. It is not correct. But one is correct. The Jovian planets have not experienced removal of gases due to low intensity of solar wind. But terrestrial planets could not hold escaping gases due to high gravity. It is not correct. Terrestrial planets are smaller and their lower gravity could not hold escaping gases. It is high gravity, it is not correct, it is low gravity in the terrestrial planets. Next, which of the following do not contribute the formation of soil? It is glaciers and magma or groundwater. So groundwater do not contribute formation of soil. So 3 is the correct. But glacier and magma contribute to the formation of soil. Glacial movement erode a very large portion of earth and deposits them. So magma is responsible for formation of lava and its cooling forms igneous soil. Non-water does not form soil as such, but it can cause salination of soil if it withdrawn excessively in areas of limestone. It forms like landforms but not soil. Which strip cropping method involves leaving strips of grass to grow between the crops. So strip cropping involves leaving strips of grass to grow between the crops. But others are not correct. So large fields can be divided into strips. Strips of grass are left to grow between the crops. The break up the force of the winds. This method is known as strip cropping. So leaving strips of grass to grow between the crops. Next question. Types of faults and description. Normal fault. When a section of land slides down along the fault line, it is called normal fault. When a section of land slides down along the fault line. Reverse fault. When a section of land thrust up along the fault line. And transform fault. When the section of land moves horizontally along the fault line. So 1, 2 and 3 are correct. All are correct. Next, consider the following statements with reference to acidic and basic lavas. Acidic lavas are hotter than basic lavas. And acidic lava contain high percentage of silica and basic lavas. No, it is not correct. And basic lava flow slowly and are more viscous than acidic lava. Statement 1 is wrong. Here, not correct. Question call you which of the following statements not correct. So mainly 1 and 3 are not correct. Okay, basic lavas are hotter than basic lavas. It is wrong. And basic lava flows slowly and are more viscous than acidic lava. It is wrong, but second is correct. Acidic lava contains high percentage of silica and lava and basic lava. So 1 and 3 are wrong. So not correct is B. They are not correct. 1 and 3. Basic lava are hottest lava, which are about 1000 degrees centigrade. So statement 2 correct, and acidic lava contain high percentage of silica than basic lavas. Basic lavas are dark color, rich like iron and magnesium, but poor in silica. Statement 3 is wrong. Basic lavas have very high fluidity and flow readily. The resultant volcano is gently sloping with a wide diameter and forms a flattened shield or dome. Basic lava have very high fluidity. Basic lava have high fluidity